Arunachalam Temple, also known as Arunachaleswarar Temple, is a famous Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, located in Tiruvannamalai, Tamil Nadu, India. It is one of the largest and most ancient temples in Tamil Nadu, and holds great spiritual significance. Key highlights: location, Tiruvannamalai, Tamil Nadu, India. Deity, Lord Shiva, Arunachaleswarar, in the form of a fiery column of light. Historical significance: the temple dates back to at least the 9th century AD, with contributions from various Chola, Pandya, and Vijayanagara kings. It is considered one of the Pancha Bhuta Sthalas, representing the element of fire, Agni. Architecture: the temple features Dravidian architecture with intricate carvings, majestic gopurams, gateway towers, and a vast sacred tank called Agni Tirtham. The temple complex covers approximately 25 acres. Main attractions: the Sanctum Sanctorum housing the Shiva Lingam known as Arunachaleswarar, the 9-tiered Gopuram, one of the tallest among temple towers in India, the temple's Surya Mandapam, Sun Pavilion, and Brahma Gundam, Sacred Pond. The temple often hosts elaborate festivals, notably the Arunachala Karthikai Deepam Festival, centered around a colossal lamp lighting. Spiritual significance: the temple is believed to be a manifestation of Lord Shiva's infinite fire energy. It is a major pilgrimage destination, especially during the Tamil month of Ani, June-July, attracting devotees from all over India and the world. The sacred mountain, Arunachala Hill, nearby is considered a spiritual embodiment of Shiva and a focal point for meditation and spiritual practices. Cultural and religious practices. Daily rituals, pujas, and abhishekams, sacred bathings, are performed. The temple is famous for its night liturgies and the Shravan festival period. Important festivals: Karthikai Deepam Festival, November-December. A grand festival involving lighting lamps atop Arunachala Hill and in the temple. Panguni Utharam Festival, Navaratri, and Mahashivaratri celebrations. Visiting tips: the best time to visit is during festival seasons or cooler months from October to March. Devotees often undertake pilgrimage around Arunachala Hill, which is believed to be a sacred walk promoting spiritual awakening.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.